Hi kids, just a quick video on how to send your citation from a Gale database, how to send the citation straight to NoodleTools. You might remember that the source citation appears at the bottom of the page, but you also have the ability to send it to NoodleTools using this Citation Tools tab here. So it asks you what format. MLA 8 is correct. Here's a sample of what it will look like, and then down below here we want to make sure that NoodleTools is the export is the place where it's going to export to. We then click the export button, and it asks us what project do you want to send it to. So you can scroll down and choose your project here. Okay, and then click import references. It's going to do a little bit of thinking, and then after it does finish its thinking, it will show up on the top right here, one reference successfully exported to project 6 Injustice. After it's done, we can go over to NoodleTools. 6 Injustice happens to be open. If I look here, I should see in my sources my Cat Fancy article. Cat Fancy. There it is. Okay, it was exported from the database. Hope that helps you.